first YouTube video. So I've been trying to get this thing done for like forever. Haven't been able to get to it, but here we are. So today, I was gonna do my makeup and do like a little makeup video, but I figured why not cook? So I'm about to make some chicken stuffed potatoes. My mom loves it. I like it. I normally make it with shrimp because I don't really eat meat like that, but lately I've been eating chicken. So right now I'm gonna just, I have my chicken right here. I'm just gonna cut them into smaller pieces. I've already washed my hands. So without further ado, let's get to it. So using my favorite knife from Cutco, my friend sells them. They're great. I'm just gonna make them, just cut it into smaller pieces. Because honestly, these pieces are too big. And also, I'm not gonna be using all this chicken because I'm only making 2 potatoes. So I might use this for a salad or something. So a little bit about me. I'm 23. My birthday is December 29th. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. Then we came to Houston, and Houston's where I spent the most time. I went to high school in Houston. So, what else? I'm a hairstylist. I also do body waxing as well. I have my cosmetology license. I got my license while I was in high school. Best decision. I got my license in 2017, and from there, I tried to go to school. I was at TSU for business marketing, but it was just, I felt like that school just felt like too high school to me, so I didn't really like it, and I didn't stay for too long, but I had already got accepted into Clark Atlanta, so I ended up using my acceptance and going to Clark Atlanta for my spring semester. What brings me to YouTube is I really love beauty. I'm very energetic, love to have fun, and I just want to kind of let y'all in my business a little bit. I want to be a little bit more interpersonal, you know, give y'all a day-to-day of what I do. A lot of people don't really know what I'm doing throughout the day, so I figured why not just get on YouTube and give y'all a little glimpse of just my life. And I don't know, I don't like when food looks weird, so I'm picking the pieces that I don't like to the side. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to be posting a lot about like hair. I'm gonna do hair videos. I know everybody does hair videos, but I'm gonna be doing a lot of hair videos. You know, something quick. I know a lot of us women, we're busy, we're hardworking, so we don't really have time to spend like hours and hours on our hair. And then I have like a lot of clients who always want to, you know, want to keep up their baby hairs or want to keep up their hair, and like without having to always break the bank. So I'm just gonna give you guys little tips and tricks that I use. And I also do makeup too. So I'll be having like makeup videos. I'll be doing like vlogs, just a little bit of everything. And yeah. I'm also going to be having story times. I'm going to talk to y'all about my life and different events that happen, you know, just really get into it, you know? So I'm almost finished cutting up this chicken. This is a lot of chicken. This is too much chicken. All right, I've cut up my chicken. I'm about to go grab a bowl. So I put my chicken in, then I can season everything. I'm gonna cut up some chives because it's gonna go on my potato. I already baked my potatoes in the oven, and I did it off camera just because it's gonna take a really long time. So I already made my potatoes, but I'm gonna cut it open and get all that potato out and show y'all, you know, how I mix and what I'm gonna do. So, 1 minute. for my chicken, I'm just about to season my chicken a little bit. First, I'm gonna start off with my Sure Shot. It's a gunpowder seasoning. It's really good. It gives it like that hickory smoke taste. So I like that type of taste. So pour a little bit of that in there. Of course, like mama, use some Sazon Goya. I already have this little pack with me. I don't have any lemon juice, so I'm about to use my lemon and herb seasoning for like a little lemon taste. On there, my blackened seasoning. I'm sorry. Chili powder. Oh my gosh. Garlic powder. And a teeny bit of my complete seasoning. Oops, but just so you can see what it look like. All right, got my potatoes. I just like to squeeze it just a little bit. I'm a little heavy-handed, so. Now for my other bowl, I'm about to just scoop out the potatoes. Now, on my potato, I'm gonna have my sour cream. So for my potatoes, sorry, my camera cut off. For my potatoes, I used sharp cheddar. I used a little bit of Slacker Mama, my complete seasoning, my chives that I cut up fresh, and I used sour cream and some garlic paste. I don't like the smell of milk. Don't think I don't like the smell of milk. Don't think nothing of it. Especially like her face looking for me, it just like creeps me out. Sheesh. Sheesh. Very excited for this new journey for me, you know? All right, I always like to place it a little flat just because I put the chicken in the middle.